data is becoming increasingly available and more easily processed. These new data and new methods may look particularly promising for credit markets. The hope is that they may solve the inefficiencies that come from information asymmetries. However, this hope lacks a theoretical justification. Those inefficiencies do not necessarily get better with more information and may as well get worse. So how can we design data sharing protocols to the benefit of all potential borrowers? To answer this question, we build on the literature on information design and formulate the optimal disclosure problem of a platform or a partially informed intermediary with commitment who maximizes the probability of successful transactions weighted by the size of gains from trade. This formulation allows us to answer the question of which variables in a data set should be shared with financial providers. For example, which features of balance sheets and income statements should be shared and at which level of granularity. We construct an optimal disclosure system and derive new conditions for the optimality of a disclosure system in terms of simple rules of thumb and local sufficient statistics. Besides our theoretical results, we apply our results to the rural credit markets in Thailand, which are particularly thin and where we benefit from extensive data from the Townsend Thai project. This data set includes detailed information on balance sheets, income statements, cash flows, and credit histories. Combining machine learning techniques and economic theory, we compute the optimal disclosure policy and create optimal credit scores. We find that our disclosure policy substantially improves outcomes relative to a simple full disclosure policy. For more details and the rest of our results, you are invited to read our paper and view our presentation.